Hi guys, welcome to Coding Beetle, and in this video we will learn how to edit and delete our post. So to do that, first we will create two views here in our controller. So first will be our public function, and that will have the action to edit, and here we will pass the ID of the post to be edited. It will have the same view as the ad. Here we will give the post, and post will be as model post, and let's just copy it from our view action and paste it in our edit part. And if you saw my view video of Fuel, then you can understand that what I did here. And if you have not seen, then please go and check it out, and then we'll pass the post that will give or take the post that I'm passing here. With that done, let's just save it, or wait, it will be edit post, and here it will be edit. Let's create the view for these functions. The first is edit.php, and we will have the same thing as the ad, means the same view as the ad, and here we will just write edit and slash, and then we will pass the value here, that will be our post ID. Then when it is done, let's check if everything is alright or not. Okay, and here we have to see that if it is a particular value. Let's just copy from one of our previous inputs, and here we will see category is set post and post category. Here we will let's just give save like this, and when the save is done, we want to do another thing in the view, is that from the view option we want to add another link, that is to view it. And let's remove this, and this will have edit, and in edit it will go to posts, then edit, and then the ID of post will be passed in this, so post ID. And we need another thing, that is to delete a post. So to delete a post, here it will be delete and delete. So we have two options where we are deleting, and let's do the edit part. So the edit part will be the same as our add part. So here we will just copy this and paste it in our edit part, and here this will be save, as I have given here in this submit button, save. And after that, as it is not a new thing, it is already created, we will not create a new, and here we will find the first value from it, and there we will pass the ID. Wait, we don't know what is the ID, and alright, we will just put the input post, and in post we will see that what ID was passed, and for that we have to pass a ID in our form. So in our form we will create a hidden input field that will be with post ID, and the value will be the value passed from our database, that will be post ID. And this name we will need in our controller, because this will be post ID. Let's see if it is working or not. We'll just refresh, and after refresh, let's go to my first post, and here in our first post we'll just edit our first post, and as you can see we are getting all the values correctly. And here we will write my first post updated, and my first post updated. We have changed in two places, and then we will submit this. And okay, we got some error, so let's see. Okay, it will be find and this value. All right, now let's go back, and here it is. Okay, changes are done, and now let's save it. And here you can see my first post updated, and this is my first post updated. And now let's read, and now we have to do this delete button. And for delete we don't need any view, we just have to create a function, that is public function, and that will have the action delete, and in the delete one ID will be passed, and in the delete part we will just create a post object, and to that we need our model post, and we have to find where the particular ID is. And PHP has also given us a simple way to delete our data, that is by referring it to delete function, and then we will redirect it to our index page. And with that done, let's go to our page, refresh, and after refreshing let's delete it, and here you can see our post was deleted. And okay guys, that's it for today. I'll meet you in another video. Till then, take care and goodbye. And one more thing, that if you have any doubts regarding any of the videos or in any part of the application, then feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll meet you again in another video. Goodbye.